Another day, another cosmic adventure.
Let's hope this one is smooth sailing, Ace.
Piece of cake, Brenda. This mission is routine.
Just don't forget your gravity boots, Commander.
Ready for launch. Helmet, check. Oxygen, check.
Cockpit secured. All systems go.
Initiating pre-flight checks.
T-minus 60 seconds. All systems nominal.
Here we go. Smooth ride. Just how I like it.
Trajectory nominal. Ace is clear for station approach.
Approaching docking port. Stand by for contact. Hello, space station. That's odd. My gravity boots. Oh, barnacles. Brenda warned me. Must get to the control module.
Ace, confirm status. Are you moving?
Negative. Ground control. I'm experiencing buoyancy.
Ace, did you forget your gravity boots?
Perhaps. Whoa.
All right, Ace. You'll have to improvise.
Improvise right. Almost there. Got it! Houston, we have propulsion! Whoa! Too much thrust! Yep!
Ace, smaller bursts. Smaller bursts.
Right. Gentle touches. Made it. Just barely.
Okay, main console is that way.
Easy does it. Whew. Gravitational victories, one grab at a time. This is harder than it looks.
Use minimal force, Ace! You're not punching a meteor!
Okay, gentle tap. Got it. Whew, this is quite the workout.
One step closer, Ace. Or rather, one float closer.
Uh-oh. Power fluctuations.
Not now! Solar array malfunction.
I need to fix that. From outside. Wish I had my trusty boots for this. Of course it's up there. Ow! Watch the noggin! Ugh. Mission supplies acquired.
Ready for exterior repairs.
Whoa! Spin cycle engaged.
Ace! Use the tether to pull yourself! Don't just swing!
My wrench! No! Come back, trussy tool! Whoa! Close call. Whew. Whew. Slow and steady wins the space race. All right, let's see what's wrong here.
Come on, Ace! You can do it!
Just a little tweak. Yes! Power restored.
Fantastic, Ace! Mission accomplished!
Just another day in the office. Homeward bound. Just a short hop back to the ship.
Ready for departure. Ground control.
Roger that, Ace. Welcome home.
Nothing like solid ground, Brenda.
Or solid boots, Ace.
Next time, I'll triple check the packing list.
Just try to remember your head, Ace.